I have to divide the cost of my ticket with the number of obstacles. I paid so much money. No. This is not a per obstacle cost. There are certain obstacles that you will not be able to do, and it's okay. It's alright. If you want to set a benchmark for yourself, you have to do as many obstacles as you can in 50 minutes or less, and then use that as a benchmark for tomorrow. Come and tell me I did 11 obstacles, I did them in 54 minutes, you have my respect. You come and tell me you've done every single obstacle and you took 2 hours, do not show your face. Please. Competitive runners, do not show your face. Remember, 50 minutes or less. And today, if you're running for the first time, set a benchmark. The toughest part, everyone here, the toughest part, right? The toughest part was showing up. So big round of applause for all of you, because all of you have shown up. But there are 2 types of people in Hyderabad. The weak, who are fast asleep, and the brave, who are all here. Yes! The other thing I love about South India is that you make India better. So for all those who are from South India, all those from Hyderabad, I know there is a saying where people say, Habibi, come to Dubai. I say, Habibi, come to Hyderabad. I have seen this city change. I've been coming here for the last 10 years, and truly, what an amazing city, full of remarkable people who refuse to live the life of the ordinary. People here are...
Everyone coming.
Come in. Okay, competitive runners. Remember, you paid me a little more money. I've given you a chip, which basically means you cannot help anyone, you cannot take anybody's help. It's you versus you today. Alright? Do not help anyone. There are only 2 obstacles as far as I'm concerned. Okay, and if I'm saying 2 obstacles, in my head I'm 25, in my passport I'm 52. Alright? So the body will become what the mind will believe. Yes, sir? Yes, agree? I'm 64. Yeah! High five. Super. Okay, this is the India we want to show. This is the India that the world needs to see. They cannot think of us and say obesity capital of the world. Oh, Apollo Hospital is a great stock because we're all headed there. Alright? So, everyone who just came in, okay, GoPros, all the GoPros. If you get great footage, taggers, if you lose your GoPros, don't trouble us. And you may lose those GoPros at the brain freeze, for example. Competitive runners, the other big thing is when you start off, remember you start off when you step on the mat past 10 meters from here. And when you finish, come out of the brain freeze, there is going to be some brain fog. The temperature right now is -2. 18 tons of ice cream.
Guys, closer everyone. Closer.
Yeah, you enjoy it? Yes. And rock salt, okay? So when you come out of it, remember the race doesn't end till you step on the mat, and the mat is still 10 meters away. So please don't sit there and think this is, I'm here in having my cold bath. Alright? Okay. So let me quickly brief you about the 2 obstacles which I think personally are the toughest on the course. The first one is the summit. The summit is the curved wall. All the men with facial hair, without facial hair, you got to do the part which is slightly higher, okay, which is on the right side. 14 feet, not that much. Quite easy, people are doing it today. Alright? The girls do it on the left side. The way to do this, cheat sheet. Listen, cheat sheet. The way to do this is run with one intention, that land the stronger of your left or right foot at the highest point of the curve. And as soon as you plant your foot there, remember you have to basically do a muscle up. Both your hands, jump up. It's like a jump squat. Do a jump squat, hold on, and then do a muscle up. Get to the top, move on. The second obstacle where you need a little bit of assistance or understanding is called back stack. It's got these wooden frames. Okay, you have to get in line. You can use the truss. You can use the truss. Sorry, I haven't slept last night. Use the truss to get into position. The truss at the back, you can use it to get into position. Once you've gotten into position, You cannot use the truss at the back. You cannot hold the truss at the back, okay? You can put your hands next to your waist. You can put your hands in front. You cannot put your hands on top of the frame, okay? You can move sideways. And the way to move sideways is 1 foot at a time. Move your foot first, then the second foot, then move your ass. Okay? If you move your ass first, I promise you, you will slip into water. Once you slip, it becomes very difficult because you will be wet and it gets terribly, terribly tough. Alright? That's the back stand for you. Everything else is a breeze. Some of you may get stuck at the brain freeze. When you climb up, you say, I'm afraid of heights. But all you got to do is sit down, think about nothing other than just the slide, and in 3 seconds you're going to be in 18 tons of ice cubes, which has a lot of rock salt. Remember, as long as you're 4 feet and taller, you cannot drown. Just stand up. Get to the other side. There is going to be a sensation of burning. That burning is going to happen because some part of your skin would have come off, and you wouldn't have felt it because the energy on the course is going to be amazing. Yes. So, how many? Oh my God! Come here. First, okay, this is the India I want to show. Take your fucking shirt off. Take your shirt off and put your bib on your shirt. Yeah, no, this is the India we want to show to the rest of the world. This is made in Hyderabad. Paradise biryani and one patthar ka gosht and everything, and yes, double ka meetha, everything. But this is, yes, running with the Devil Circuit for the last 10 years. Yes. He has just gotten stronger year after year, man. What an inspiration. Every year. You put your bib here, you're running without a shirt. Bring your shirt back. Yeah. Put your bib here. Guys, big round of applause for, come on, you're on it. Yes. Besides being one of the strongest men I know, he's also one of the nicest people I've ever come across. Okay, so thank you so much for coming back every single year. I just want to say, I quit my corporate career at the age of 40 because, yes, this is what India is all about, man. So big round of applause for all of us, yes! Bharat, all the best on the course. Oh, his puya was all wrong. Yeah, you gotta do that. Okay. The word in the English dictionary that means exuberance, that means an organic high. That word that you want to scream when you cross that finish line. That word is. Yeah, like, you know, imagine you're all Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, right? That word is. Feeling it. That word is. Touching your face, Habibi. Come on, I got 10 eyes here. That word is Booyah! You have a lovely smile, but I can't hear you. Booyah! That word is Booyah! 52 years in my passport, 25 years in my head. That word is Booyah! Hyderabad, I'm not feeling it. That word is Booyah! Remember, Hyderabad, do not divide the cost of the ticket with the number of obstacles. There are certain obstacles which you will not be able to do today, which is okay. Today is the day when you're going to set a benchmark. You want to win my respect? Come and tell me I did 11 obstacles in 54 minutes. You have my respect. Don't come and tell me you did every single obstacle in 2 hours. Don't show your face. Alright? Remember, I'm sending you home with bruises, but you're all going home with pride! Let's do a quick warm-up. Okay, front row. Look here at the main stage. No, not done. Ambulance, 4 ambulances, we don't want to use them. Water, please, when you take a water bottle, carry the bottle till you finish it. Don't worry about the litter, we'll clear everything, okay? Cost of ticket, anything else? That's it. And my other thing is, thank you from the bottom of my heart for allowing us to create what is today India's coolest, youngest race. the Devil Circuit. And it has become what it has become because of the love and the support and the encouragement of the tribe of Devil Slayers. We don't have any influencers. We don't pay any celebrities. We count on you as our celebrities to go and tell the rest of the world why the Devil Circuit is not a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Why the Devil Circuit has to be experienced for what it is today. So, no, keep it quiet. Let's do this. Come on.
Awesome, guys. A big round of applause for all of you for being here. Thank you so much for being a part of Devil Circuit. Are you all set? Music.
Look this side, look this side, look at the stage.
Look at the stage. Music.
DJ, come on.
Hands up. Just start jumping, guys. Come on. Volume up, volume up. 1, 2, 3, and go. Stay, everyone. Stay down. Stay down, guys. Just along with me. When I say devil, you say slayer. Devil. Slayer. Devil. Slayer. When I say slayer, you say pride. Slayer. Pride. Slayer. Pride. When I say rise, you say higher. Rise. Higher. Rise. Higher. When I say stop, you say never. Stop. Never. Stop. Never. When I say devil, you all say slayer. Devil. Slayer. Devil. Slayer. What's the war cry? Everybody together, guys. I won't let you guys in. What's the war cry? Power in your hand. Yo. Even yo. What's the war cry? What's the war cry, everyone? I want every hand up in the air. What's the war cry? Can you see? Everyone? He's the one to decide. Come on.
I'm watching. All right. Listen, this is called the Rockstar of running events for a reason. Are you feeling the energy? Yeah! Okay, so come on, play along.
What's the war cry? War cry? Awesome, guys. Get up. Everyone.
All right. Acrobat, are we set?
No, guys. Before we send you guys in, I want each one of you to do a countdown along with me. Let's do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
चल 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 तूने कर लिया? ओ भाई हो गया? हाँ I know बहुत आसान
लेगा उसका बेटर है। हाँ, अब हाथ आगे रखने से कोई बेनिफिट है?
नहीं
नहीं।
अरे हाँ ठीक है होगा। भाई मेरे तो ग्रिप ही नहीं है यार।
नहीं इसको पुल कर, यहाँ ऐसे पुल कर अपने आप को ऊपर हो, आप पुल कर मैंने।
ओह शिट। हम तो ऐसे रह रहे। अलग वो ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।
One, two, बैठे आ जाओ.
Oh, nice.
बाप
एक 3 मिनट में
बैठ जाओ।
आ जाओ जल्दी, 3 मिनट में चल रहे हैं सारे। 1 2 3